guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we'll be doing another unboxing of Play by Sephora. So if you guys want to see what I got in here, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so if you guys don't already know, Play by Sephora is a $10 monthly subscription service where it's just like Ipsy Box, but you get 10, I wish. You get 5 sample size products of items that are sold at Sephora. So a lot like Ipsy, but this one is just items that are just at Sephora. So it's actually a cool little thing. Plus you get a Play card. The Play card does come with 50 points loaded onto it. So whenever you purchase online or in store, you add that little Play card to it and you get additional 50 points added to your purchase, which is great because it's really hard to build up points at Sephora. And to hit that Rouge and VIP, you want to build that up as best as you can. So let's go ahead and dive on into this box. I do want to show you guys my little Boba Fett shirt that I have going on right now, and not really wearing any makeup with my little Star Wars wristband. We literally just got back from the cast preview of Star Wars. We just went for our second time, and I got this box in mail. I was like, I have to film this. It's also why I didn't want to do like any more makeup. I have this very basic look going on right now because I am going to be doing a little skincare review next. So why bother putting on a full face? I'm going to be taking it off for you guys. So plus, I don't really care how I look like right now. Just don't care. Alright, so this month's box is called The Adventures of Play Bay. It's actually really cool because on the front they do have a superhero theme going on. It is pretty legit, do love that. Plus you also have the $50 I wish, the 50-point Play card by Sephora. Like I said, this is a great way to help build up points because Lord knows I need to build up points because I need to maintain a certain status. Alright, so in the box, as always, they do come with a reusable bag right here. Again, I'm not a fan of this bag. I end up throwing it away. I know it says it's reusable, but it's plastic and I feel like it's not biodegradable. And I'm all about biodegradable items, so I don't get why they have this because plastic doesn't really break down. I kind of wish that they just put it inside the box and didn't have this bag a part of it. Why they do, I don't know, but they do. Let's see what the first item that we got. Ooh, my finger. Alright, so this is Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Providing comfort and protection for skin in distress is this antibiotic packed cream specialty. This is chosen for my skin concerns, and this is one of the best sellers that they have at Ulta. At Sephora. Why I said that, I don't know. But I think it's really cool because I have a lot of skin concerns when it comes to like large pores, redness, anti-aging. Like I care a lot about skincare products. I'm glad they actually added this in here. And I think this is just supposed to, this is for your last step in your routine, smooth on a dime size amount over skin and allow the cushiony texture to smooth and hydrate morning and night. So you put this as your last step. Let's see how this smells. It smells like pine sol a little bit. All right, not bad. The next surprise. Oh, okay, I have always wanted to try this. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Primer Moisturizer. I've always seen Jeffree Star and Manny MUA talk about this. I've never gotten it because, well, I'm frugal and I don't want to spend like $66 on a face moisturizer, like in a primer. Like I'm like, $66 for that? You have got to be out of your mind. I don't want to invest the money in it, so I'm really glad they actually put it in here so I can actually try it out. This says this is an oil-free moisturizer, moonlights as a primer, and uses the power of the antioxidants to help protect skin. Now, I know that they rave about this product all the time. They're always using it. So I'm finally excited I get to finally try this. I can have a little piece of luxury in my life. Oh, that smells good. Oh. Let's just put this on the nose. I don't want to waste a $66 product. What? Put this right over here. Ooh, that is really nice. That's really nice. Well, this is definitely going to be a staple in trying it for tomorrow's makeup because you have best believe I've been wanting to try this forever, and I'm so glad they put it in here. This is why this box is worth it. For this alone to try this out. Ugh, so excited. So excited. All right, the next product, oh, okay, this is gonna be Buxom. This is a full-on pumping lip cream, gloss, and hot toddy. Okay, I'm just gonna say this really fast. I hate how they word things in here. Like, I need to just show you guys how things are worded, because when you read it, you're like, one, these are run-on sentences, or they just cut off, or they're not supposed to. I'm like, who writes these? Because as an English major, I stare at this and I'm like, you guys make me sound freaking stupid when I read these on camera, because I can read, but when I read these, I'm always like, like stumbling over my freaking words because the way these are written. But it says, this shimmer-free cream gloss in a toasty nude shape wraps lips in moisture, visibly plumps lips, and fits in your pocket so you can go from civilian to hero in a swipe. One sentence. It says, Buxom is known for the tingly, visually plumping formula. This unique line of glossy creams comes in a wide variety of shades, all named after delicious beverages. So at least that one wasn't exactly a run-on. But I've actually never tried anything from Buxom before. I know a lot of my friends have, but I personally have not. But this is in the color Hot Toddy. I feel like Hot Toddy is like a really popular name. Like, I know Jaclyn Hill named one of her lipsticks off of it. I know that there's I think a MAC color called Hot Toddy. I wonder why that is. I wonder why everybody has the same name and how that's allowed. That's a really pretty color. I like that. Now, whenever you do put on a lip moisturizer, you are gonna have a very tingling sensation because it's trying to plump your lips. I have never noticed my lips truly getting plumpy. I don't know why. I'm like, maybe I should take like a before and after, like my lips before I put it on and like the lips after to see if they really like plump up. But I think it's just like, it makes you feel like they do. They're plumped. The next one is Algenist. This is a genius sleeping collagen. Keep saving the day even while you sleep with this vegan collagen-packed night cream that that fights the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It says massage a pearl-sized amount onto dry skin as the last step of the night. That's when your skin is the optimal recovery mode, so you'll wake up to smoother skin. Once again, this is chosen for my skin concerns, and this is actually an exclusive at Sephora and in this box. Let's see how this smells. We're getting a lot of skincare products. I think they're trying to tell me something. I think they know my 30th birthday is rolling up around, so they're like, oh girl, you gotta fix your skin. They all smell the same. They all smell the same. Oh, it's like a lip balm though. Rubbing your finger on that, that is like a lip balm. Smells nice. Looks like I'm wearing this face mask tonight. All right, the next product is Alternia Hair Care. Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. Say that 5 times fast. Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizzer Butter. Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizzer Butter. Anti-Frizzer. Frizz is no match for this smoothing protective leave-in hair cream. Warm a quarter-size amount with your hands to watch it transform from cream to oil and apply throughout damp strands before styling. And this is chosen for my hair concerns. I didn't really realize I had hair concerns, but this is protects and perfects medium to thick hair. Oh God, I have some thick hair. All right, so how to use? You put it, watch it go from cream to oil. All right, so I'm gonna put a little tiny little amount. Oh, that smells amazing. All right, let's warm it up in our fingers. Ooh, look at that going to oil. That smells really nice. We got 6 items in here. What? Instead of getting 5, there's 6? Ooh, she's spoiled. All right, the last thing, oh my God, this is so tiny, is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dosage Retinol Serum. A retinol serum with super strength and a gentle side is exactly what you need to combat the looks of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Yo, I'm telling you, this box is trying to tell me something. They know. They know. Hey Siri, are you secretly recording everything I say and reporting it back to Sephora?
I don't have the answer to that. Is there something else I can help you with?
You're good. But this is also an exclusive to this box as well. This is really tiny, but it's super cute. But I literally got 5 skincare products and 1 makeup product. Not bad, but I'm excited to give this a try. Oh, okay. Oh no, she's dripping. She's dripping. Okay. I don't get why all skincare products they smell the same. This smells like just high luxury skincare product. Not bad. I am excited to give this a try. I love trying out skincare products. I feel like they're my favorite thing to try out just because I think they're like my favorite thing to try out. I think it's because I don't ever want to invest the money in skincare products because I don't know what's going to work and what's not going to work. And skincare can get really, really expensive. So I want to make sure that I'm investing my money in the right product. So the fact that they send so many skincare products in this box makes this box 100% worth it. Like the fact that I got 5 skincare products and 1 lip gloss, that's awesome. That's awesome. And the fact that I got the Bobbi Brown. The Bobbi Brown. I'm so excited to give this a try. You guys have no idea how much I've been wanting to try this product. I've been looking at it for like 2 years now wanting to try this out. And I've always been like, so like, don't want to spend the money. Oh my God, I did not get 5 skincare products. I lied. I'm so sorry. I'm not going to edit this out. I'm going to leave this in here. I got 4 skincare products, 1 hair product, and 1 makeup product. Duh. I think I'm just like so busy looking at this little map right here that I'm assuming that I got 5 skincare products. No, I got 4. I got 4, but the fact that they literally sent 4 high-end products in here as well. You got the Bobbi Brown, which is expensive, Sunday Riley, which is really expensive. I've never heard of Ren. I've heard of Algenist. I just never tried Algenist before. But the fact that you get these really nice, awesome, expensive products that are bigger than just like sample sizes. Well, these are sample sizes, but they're more like travel sizes. The fact that you get these in here, I think is phenomenal, especially since this is like $66. You guys cannot beat this. I highly recommend Sephora Play if anyone out there has not tried it before. I'll link my little description down below. It's not an affiliate code, it's not a discount link or nothing. It's just literally the website. I'll link down below. The fact that you, like I said, you do get 5, mostly 6 items in here of all high-end products to try out for $10 a month. Y'all, you guys seriously cannot beat that. Highly recommend this box. And you also get a 50-point play card to go with it. You literally add it on top of your purchase. So you can spend like $12 at Sephora, which is really hard to do unless you do for like clearance items or on sale items. But you get literally spend $12 and add 50 points to it. So that is awesome. So I highly recommend this box. Well guys, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 videos a week pretty much. I also have 2 giveaways going on my channel right now. I had the Jeffree Star Morphe collaboration going on, which I'll link down below, as well as my ColourPop Strawberry Shake eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I'll have the link down below. Make sure you guys head on over to my other channel, Our Florida Life. You guys can see all of our cool Florida adventures and my wonderful fiance. And as always guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Alright guys, so if you guys don't already know, so and I'm all about biodegradable items if it can happen, like if global protection, day protection. See, this is why this gross. High dose. I highly recommend this box. Like seriously, this is like one of the, and you also get a 50 play point card